Welcome to DNS Explained, Networking Basics. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept of how the internet works. Let's start with an introduction to the domain name system, or DNS. At its core, DNS is like the internet's phone book. It translates human-readable domain names into machine-readable IP addresses. DNS is crucial because it allows us to access websites by typing easy-to-remember domain names instead of complex numerical IP addresses. Now, let's explore how DNS actually works behind the scenes. Every device connected to the internet has a unique IP address. DNS translates domain names into these IP addresses, guiding your browser to the correct server. DNS relies on a distributed network of DNS servers. These servers store vast databases of domain names and their corresponding IP addresses. When you type a domain name into your browser, a DNS lookup process begins, involving several types of servers working together. First, your computer sends a request to a local DNS resolver, typically provided by your internet service provider. This resolver then queries various DNS servers to find the correct IP address associated with the domain name you requested. Let's break down the key components involved in this process. At the top are the root servers. They act like a global directory, pointing to the appropriate top-level domain servers. Next, TLD servers manage domain extensions like .com, .org, or .net, directing requests to the correct authoritative name servers. Finally, authoritative name servers hold the specific DNS records for a domain, providing the precise IP address. So, what are the main benefits of this complex system? The most obvious benefit is user-friendly web browsing. Imagine having to type numerical addresses for every website. DNS also significantly improves network efficiency, making internet navigation faster and more reliable. In conclusion, DNS is an invisible but essential part of our daily internet experience. It seamlessly connects us to websites and services across the globe, all through a system of translation and interconnected servers. If you're interested in diving deeper into networking, check out the links in the description for more resources.